Hello, today I'm going to talk about this duster, but first I want to give a shout out to the brand for sending it to me in exchange for sharing my thoughts with y'all. If you're new to like the electric duster world, consider this your indoor leaf blower on a much smaller scale. It's still very powerful, but not as big as like your average leaf blower. It comes with 3 attachments, depending on whatever you're needing to dust. And of course, the smaller the opening, the smallest opening is going to create the more force or power of something that you're trying to clean out. There is also this filter on the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. You can easily remove it, and it comes with a couple of filter replacements, but this is where the air is suctioned like to go in. So it's going to filter out anything that you don't want to come out. It's literally this simple. All you do is just put whatever nozzle you want on. I chose this one that's kind of like oblong, if you will, and you just press the button. It's definitely loud. It's definitely powerful. So even the brand, when I was communicating with them before they sent it, they put out a warning like, it is pretty strong, just FYI, which is kind of what you want, right? You don't want something that is not going to work. So next I'm going to demonstrate this on a couple areas in my bedroom, like my bedside table, a little bit of my headboard, just to show you this in action and how well it works. So as you can see, my bedside table is pretty dusty, and here I'm going to clean it off. I totally did not expect that coaster to fall. And if you look along the top of my headboard here, there is some dust. You can see that. There we go. If you look along the top of my headboard here, you can see quite a bit of dust. So here we go. And there you have it. Look how much cleaner that is. Look how much cleaner. If you're still seeing specks, that is part of the headboard. It's not necessarily the dust. It's just part of the headboard. But look how much cleaner that is. So I hope this video was helpful in showing you all about the Sunshine Duster. I think it's a pretty neat tool as far as simply dusting around your home. I also think it's a game changer when you're cleaning things like blinds, small spaces, even like maybe the middle console of your car. Something like this just changes the game. It just makes it go so much easier, so much smoother. So if you were to ask me, I'd say 10 out of 10 recommend.